Okay, I got the Greenworks Cordless Mower. It's a 40-volt, 19-inch brushless lawn mower, and I'm going to go ahead and do a unboxing just to show you guys everything that came with it. All right, it was packed pretty well. We have a few pieces here we got to go over. Looks like it did come with a charger here. So it came with the charger. Instructions. And I was concerned after I ordered that it didn't come with the battery, so it looks like it came with the battery and the charger right here. And here's the battery that came with it, 40-volt battery. Got the 40-volt battery right here. And it looks like it came with the guide for spitting out the grass. It has to be mounted on the side there. All right, so that's everything that came with my Greenworks 19-inch cordless lawnmower.